Introducing the 2016 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8 Inscript Twin AWD in stunning blue. This 2.0 litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is perfect for those who value luxury and performance. With features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation and voice control, every drive is a delight. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. The stylish chrome package, roof rails and spoiler make heads turn wherever you go. Plus, the stop and start system and energy recuperation make this car eco-friendly. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive away in luxury and style today.